Well, it's early in the evening on the 17th of May, and I've come back to Sneinton Greenway because I recently read a paper which is very interesting about how cranesbills, or three common types, you can't actually tell them apart just by looking at their DNA. They appear to be the same species. And one of those species is this one, Pyrenean cranesbill, Geranium pyrenaicum. I'm hoping to find the other ones as I move down this path. But the council, in its wisdom, has cut back all these wild flowers for some reason that I can't understand. Because this is called Sneinton Greenway. Why cut back all these plants? It's completely unnecessary. And there's plenty of room for people to walk and cycle and whatever else. Maybe I'll find the plants I want to find, maybe not. And this is another Geranium pyrenaicum, and these are indeed very abundant along this walkway. And I found a patch that hasn't been cut back yet, so I'm hoping to come across the two other geranium species that I'm looking for. And this is the second species. Flowers are closing up now, but this is fairly classic dove's foot cranesbill geranium molle. You can see the black anthers and stigmas in the centre of the flower. So this is the second of the species that appear to be the same species, though they look and grow quite differently. And this is the final of the three geranium species that I wanted to mention. This is Geranium pusillum, and it differs from the other two, and it's much smaller flowers of a lilac colour. But the reality is, the genetics done by the group in Iran suggests very strongly that these three very different forms are actually the same species. And that's really interesting, and I think it would help us to redefine what we think of as species. And sometimes we might be getting it wrong. These plants maybe are the same, even though they look quite different in many ways. So that's it. I'll put the details of this research paper underneath the video. I hope you found this interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I hope to do more work like this in the future. This is Geranium pusillum, by the way.